Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. You might have come across the word Dirndl, and in this video we are going to talk about 3 meanings of Dirndl in Austrian German. In this video we're going to take a look at the 3 meanings of the word Dirndl in Austrian German. The first meaning of Dirndl is girl. The second meaning of Dirndl is the traditional dress, which differs from region to region. And the third meaning of Dirndl is the coronel cherry. We also hear Dirndlkirschen. In one sentence we can sum up all these 3 meanings. A Dirndl trägt ein Dirndl und isst Dirndlkirschen, meaning a girl wears a traditional dress and eats coronel cherries. So thanks a lot for watching, please subscribe and see you in the next tutorial.